Welcome, today in front of me Lenovo Legion, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application and then in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now I have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just open the app, click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, then tap twice OK and go back. Here tap to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. And now as can you see, the process is finished and we'll go somewhere, for example to the search app menu, and here we can see the look of our new device keyboard. And as can you see, this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as the all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.